Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix high memory RAM using in Windows 11. So guys, very easy if you want to fix high memory RAM using in Windows 11. So first click on Start, type here Registry Editor, click on Registry Editor. After click on Hacker Local Machine. After click on System. After click on Control Set 001. Click on Control Set. Click on NDU. After click on right click in Start. Click on Modify. For value data. Click on OK. Guys, after click on Start, type here PS Services. Open Services. After click on Sysmin SYS. SYS MAIN. Click on this drop box. After click on Disable. Click on Stop. Click on Apply. Click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix high memory RAM using in Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video while full or not. Thank you for watching.